Hey team, welcome back. Today we are reading passage E, Handwriting, from the third text in the Simple Comprehension series. The young writer had a special pen. It had a long tip which helped the writer to flick and curl letters perfectly. It used dark blue ink that was very expensive to buy. If you stopped moving the nib, the ink would bubble and clot, ruining the page. The writer began to form their first word, linking the letters just as they had been taught in class. Questions. Describe the pen. Why was the pen special? What problem did the pen have? Is the writer a student? How do you know that? Now let's check the answers. Describe the pen. The pen is described as special. Here. It has a long tip. Here. And that it used dark blue ink. Here. Why was the pen special? The pen had a long tip which helped the writer to flick and curl letters perfectly. Another good answer is that the pen used dark blue ink that was expensive to buy. Both of these are good answers to the question. What problem did the pen have? Well, it's also what made it special, that the ink was expensive. And in addition, if you stopped moving the nib, the ink would bubble and clot. It says that here. Is the writer a student? How do you know that? Yes, we know they are a student because it says the writer has been taught in a class how to use the pen. So if you are in a class, therefore you are a student. Thank you for your time. How did you go?